know that Bangladesh is vulnerable to flooding, landslide, and in some range earthquake also, and river erosion. The last landslide occurred in Dhaka, in Bangladesh, that is in Chittagong in 2007. Just to compare here, in Sri Lanka, all the mountains are rocky. But in your country, the mountains material is not like Sri Lanka. It is some sort of clay which becomes very loose during the monsoon. And people are cutting the toes of the hills for human habitation. Mainly that is the main reason for the landslides which was occurred in 2007. So if we think that geohazard system or what we learn from today, it will be better if we have got a central department who will observe and monitor all these things and distribute the output to the concerned departments. But I think that will take time, and maybe it will not happen in a decade because it requires the formation of another department or maybe another ministry. Remote sensing technology is not actually that much used, or in LGD we never use remote sensing technology. So before using that, we have to explore the strength and weakness, advantage and disadvantage, and cost benefit analysis for adopting remote sensing technology. At the same time, this DSS tool, I find it is also a very useful tool which can be incorporated in our mainstream. So it will also take some time to customize it in text of Bangladesh. And in monitoring mechanism, in our project, this project, we are the first in Bangladesh who we introduced ICT monitoring for quality assurance and planning also. This ICT monitoring, we used ODK, open source database, and we customized it according to our requirements and needs. Before introducing this DSS and the remote sensing technology, maybe it will take 1 or 2 years to research and think whether we should go for this sort of advanced technology or not. Thank you all.